The United Kingdom has made a major leap forward in the development of its next-generation fighter jet as part of the Global Combat Air Program, GCAP. This high-tech collaboration between the UK, Italy, and Japan is set to revolutionize the future of air warfare, combining the best of aerospace technology from three leading nations: Britain's BAE Systems, Italy's Leonardo, and Japan Aircraft Industrial Enhancement Co. Ltd., JAIEC, will each hold a 33.3% share in the new venture, marking a pivotal moment for the international aerospace and defense industry, they announced in a press release. Today's agreement is a culmination of many months working together with our industry partners and is testament to the hard work of everyone involved in this strategically important program, said Charles Woodburn, BAE Systems Chief Executive. The Global Combat Air Program, also known by its acronym GCAP, is a collaborative sixth-generation fighter project that leverages the combined knowledge of the United Kingdom, Japan, and Italy. The program, originally announced publicly in late 2022, saw Italy as the last to join, bringing together Japan's FX fighter project and the United Kingdom's Tempest initiative. If successful, the project will augment or replace the Eurofighter Typhoon, Japan's Mitsubishi F-2 either, and the American-led F-35 stealth fighter project. While older Typhoons will retire, others will remain in service until 2035, focusing on air policing and homeland defense. Despite lacking stealth, the Typhoon's agility, payload capacity, and cost efficiency ensure its relevance until the Tempest arrives. The RAF's future air fleet will rely on a balanced mix of F-35s and the Tempest for air superiority and multi-role missions. Once hailed as the United Kingdom's main strike fighter, the Eurofighter Typhoon may be assigned to a backup role or be replaced by stealth airplanes like the F-35 and the future Tempest sixth-generation fighter. The aircraft is due to enter service in 2035, ahead of the competing European project FCAS, led by Paris, Berlin, and Madrid, and is expected to be in service until 2070. The way might not always be simple and straightforward. However, I believe that through continuing the strong spirit of trilateral cooperation and collaboration, we will not only deliver the GCAP on time, but also at a level that exceeds all of our expectations, GIEC President Kamito Nakai said. The Italian Defense Ministry has already allocated 8.8 billion euros, $9.2 billion to the program, Roberto Cingolani, the CEO of Leonardo, said in November, although the total budget of the project has yet to be revealed. GCAP aims to counter the threats posed by Russia and China and will merge two different aircraft programs, Britain and Italy's Tempest and Japan's FX. The objective is to develop a twin-engined stealth aircraft that could be operated with or without a crew, would boast features such as laser-directed weapons and a virtual cockpit, and would be much harder to detect using radar and infrared. New technologies being explored for Tempest include the integration of AI and augmented reality and the ability to conduct missions alongside drones. The RAF will also fly the F-35. 138 F-35s will be utilized for the Royal Air Force and Navy. This seems like a good plan for the British military. Replacement of the Typhoon will come in phases while it still can perform air policing roles for better homeland defense. Still, now the fighter could be relegated to home defense or for intercepting enemy airplanes while responding to alerts and conducting quick reaction missions. The Eurofighter Typhoon can be compared to the American F-16 Fighting Falcon. The Typhoon had been the backbone of the RAF and served as a multi-role interceptor that defended the country well. The Typhoon still has many upsides and should not be fully discarded by Britain anytime soon. If what you require are quick reaction alert and air policing, then probably you want something with greater range, with better performance at an altitude that isn't sensitive from a security point of view and is cheaper to operate, said Royal United Services Institute fellow Justin Brunk. The Typhoon is much better suited to that role. However, since the Typhoon can carry a hefty payload, it was well suited to fly missions over Iraq and Syria. Plus, the airplane was easy to upgrade over the years, and its avionics, radar, and electronic countermeasures were improved. However, some Typhoons will fly on for several more years, as the airplane won't be replaced entirely until 2035, when the BAE Systems Tempest will execute the multi-role air interceptor role that the Typhoon is so good at. Team Tempest is a partnership between BAE Systems, Rolls-Royce, Leonardo, and MBDA. The Tempest will use advanced materials for better stealth and enable 3D printing of components to upgrade the 6th-generation Warbird quickly and effectively. Tempest is pilot-friendly and will allow aviators to fly with an augmented reality and virtual reality helmet that functions as the screen for the cockpit. The Tempest operator will be able to think and act 2 to 3 steps ahead of their adversary because of the advanced and highly integrated sensors, non-kinetic effects, and communications systems, according to the Royal Air Force. The Tempest will also carry the next-generation beyond visual range air-to-air missile Meteor and the network-enabled precision surface attack missiles of the Spear family of weapons, the RAF explained. Until the Tempest is in serial production and is flying regularly, the F-35 will become the RAF's go-to fighter, although the Eurofighter Typhoon is less expensive to fly than the F-35. The difference is full stealth capabilities, which the Typhoon does not have. If you enjoy content like this, please go ahead and like and subscribe to this video because I appreciate all your support.